up, y'all? If y'all have seen this look before, just know it's because I filmed multiple videos this day. But if you anything like me and you got a wig that you like to wear but you tired of gluing that thing down, if you want to just throw that thing on and go, or if you just scared to rip out your edges with some boho, ghost one, etc, etc, then this is the video for you. I'm showing y'all how I reinstalled my lace wig gluelessly. If you want to see how I got this new color. Now I ain't sure that, but if you want to see how I got my wig laid, keep watching. I hope I see y'all in the next video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, I got my cap on. It's not really a stocking cap, it's a little stocking, but it's all good. You want to start off with a cap that is your natural skin tone. Do not get a cap that is lighter. I mean, you can, but then you gotta go through the process of putting makeup on it, etc, etc. So I'm brown, I'm chocolate, so I get a brown cap. I'm gonna use this to style my edges. I don't want no hairs, you know, peeking out, because I don't want to accidentally rip my edges out. They already thin. And go over them, you know. Now I'm about to put my cap on top of them. Same thing. And I'm bringing my cap all the way down over my ears. You don't actually have to do it like this. If your cap matches your skin tone like precisely, you don't have to do that whole mold your cap down, all that stuff like that. I'm gonna cut an ear tab out. Okay. So I got little ears, so my ear tab ain't gotta be big. Repeat the process on the opposite side. Oh Lord Jesus, it's the fire. Done. I just created a run in my stocking, but it's okay. Use your Got To Be freeze spray. I got mine backwards. Yeah, but use your Got To Be freeze spray, and then you just go over your edges. Alright, and then I'm going to take my blow dryer on cool, and I'm about to blow dry this. Hey girl.
She about here, then she trying to figure out where to go.
I'm on my
That's not bad. I said, man. Is you coming to Florida or not?
No, girl. Now that we look like a bald head, it's time to cut this cap off. Make sure that it is dry. Just cut it off, and the spray acts as a barrier. So where the spray ends is where, you know, the cap will naturally stop splitting. So yeah. So you see these little pieces that's rolled up? You cut those off. See, I'm doing too much, to be honest, because you don't even gotta do all this. Honestly, truly, you can just put your cap on as long as it matches your skin tone. Put your cap on, pull it back a little bit, slick those edges back, and then put your wig on, because you're not gluing shit down. You're not even gluing nothing. Now, grab your wig, sis. Y'all have seen her here before. You know, I cut her a little short. She looks a little different. I add a little highlights, but y'all seen sis before. And then you throw your cap on. Yes, sis, wet lace. Wet lace. Don't I look like a caveman off those caveman commercials? Those, what is that, Geico? So now sis, your wig is on. See, I already used this wig before. Y'all see how good that blended in with my skin? And that cap, Scalpiano. So for this next step, since we ain't using glue, this is the lazy girl method, beginner friendly AF. We about to use the Got To Be spray, and I'm gonna go in sections because yeah. And then you just spray it directly not on your face, directly on. Try not to get in your eyes. And then when I do that, I just go over it, the sections, with the blow dryer on cool again. So now that you got it all blow dry and all that stuff, put your band on and let that sit for like 5 or 10 minutes. Alright. It's all down. It look like a helmet because it's hard. Because it's hard, but I got a solution for that problem. Go around your edges and comb them out so they won't be like hard, crusty, dusty, stuck to your head. Stiff what?
Stiff what?
Right,
Ooh,
come to the camera.
Nowhere. Stiff what?
Right.
Much better. I'm about to put some mousse in my hair, you know, pimp it up, whatever. But I'm about to film a spring makeup tutorial, y'all, so be on the lookout for that. That will be out after this. I mean, that will be out before this, so I'm gonna put the link to that video in the cards. Y'all check that out while y'all here. This is the finished look.